Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to extract Google Shopping data into an Excel file with this NoCode tool. First, we need to get the API key. You can register for free at serpapi.com. Once you've logged in, you can copy your API key from the dashboard. Then go to the NoCode Serp API website, go to the settings page, and paste your API key there and click Save. So first, choose the Google Shopping, and then you can search any query for the product. For example, running shoes. You can also adjust the location. For example, I'm looking for Google Shopping Indonesia. And then you can pick only the first page, which includes like 60 items or 60 results, or you can grab all the pages. The maximum is 10 pages. So you will be charged maximum 10 credits. If it has less 10 pages, then it will adjust the credit accordingly as well. Yes, click continue and you just have to wait. And after almost a minute, now I have my Excel file here. As you can see, all the items are listed in this single file. For this item, I have like 300 products. The Excel file itself includes the title of the product, link, the product link, the original product link, the product ID, the source, price, rating, reviews, thumbnail, and so on. So that's how easy to grab all the data from a specific query in Google Shopping website. Feel free to try.